All right, hello everybody. This here is a real quick explanation of why you should not jump into getting the NFC business card quite yet. So this is an NFC card. It's blank. You can, get it printed with whatever you want on it. Now, here's the problem. This is a NFC enabled phone. It's really old even. Nowadays, most phones are NFC enabled, like the new ones, but not everybody. So you don't want to have something that's too fancy and people can't even, utilize it. And you see right there, you see it say NFC. Yep, you see it all the way to the right over there. There you go. So that says NFC. So if this is turned off, it's not going to work. The NFC card is not going to work. So what I have experienced is, breaking out the card and feeling cool, like, hey, let me, use this business card and tap the phone. Here you go, beep, and then it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Because they don't have their NFC turned on. But another reason it doesn't work is because if you look online, you'll see all these videos with people, using the NFC card and they're tapping an iPhone and they're tapping it right here up front, or they're tapping it there. Some are tapping it here. It's like, wait a minute, they're tapping it all over. And this one, it's in the back. And now you can see an action is happening because I put it in the back. On the iPhones, it's in the front. So now you're stuck with, when you meet somebody, it's like, oh, do you have an NFC enabled phone? Yes, you do. Oh, okay. Which phone do you have? Okay. And is it turned on? Oh, okay. And where is the reader at? Is it in the front or in the back? Where do I tap the card? Come on, you don't got time for that. At least with a QR code, you can just say, hey, do you have an iPhone? Okay, turn on your camera, scan, boom, done. Oh, you have a Samsung? Here's what you do with the Samsung, which, by the way, I'm gonna give you a tip. This is a free one here. The Samsung phones now in the Samsung browser, which a lot of people don't use, but a lot of people do, in the Samsung browser, that comes built in with a NFC reader. You may have to turn it on. And in order to do that, I'm going to tell you, listen fast because the video's got to be short. Open up the browser. You'll see on the bottom right, it has a little orange N that stands for new. You tap that, and then you'll see settings and all this other stuff. It'll be another little orange N. You tap that, and then you'll see, wait a minute, wait, what is it? It's useful features. That's what it is, useful features. Tap the useful features and you'll see QR code. You slide that on, boom, you're good. And then when you go to the Samsung browser, you tap in where the URL is, where you hit www, press that. And when you hit that, you'll see all the way to the right, a little QR code box comes up. You tap the QR code box and boom, you're ready to scan. Now, I hope you got that. I got to be quick. I just want to tell you, don't run out and spend your money on one of these yet, just because you want to be in the know. Because a lot of people are going to be like, no. All right? Subscribe to this channel because all I'm going to be talking about for a while is online presence, building your brand, digital business cards, all this good stuff that you're going to want to learn more about. And trust me when I tell you, not everyone's going to tell it like it is. I got you covered. All right? Thanks for watching.